welcome back to my channel. It's been about 8 months since I've last posted a video, and that's all for a very good reason. If you follow me on Instagram, then you may already know why. I've actually been working towards a dream of mine since I was a little girl. I've been working towards launching my own clothing line. For the past year, I've been head down working towards the design, from the size to the fit to the packaging to the website and everything that came in between that I was not even expecting. So with my line, I'm going to hit a few points in this video, what it means, what my line stands for, and then I'm going to talk about the items very briefly, and then you'll see what's next. I've launched with 7 tops, 4 sweatshirts, and 3 t-shirts. In the sweatshirt collection, we have the Black Mood sweatshirt. We have the complete opposite of that, which is the Red Mood sweatshirt, and then we have the Butte sweatshirt, and then concluding the collection, we have the Pink Flower Lips sweatshirt. In the t-shirt, we have the Gold Lips t-shirt, the Create t-shirt, which is what I'm wearing right now, and we also have the Red Mood t-shirt. The fit of the sweatshirts is semi-fitted, where you can dress them up with heels or you can dress them down with flats. They can be worn either if you're going out grabbing a cup of coffee or if you're going on a nice date or traveling. I wanted to make sure that we covered both style with comfort. The t-shirts has the same fit, where they're semi-fitted and they're casual, yet you can dress them up and you can be comfortable. The material for both the sweatshirts and t-shirts, it's ultra soft and it's kind of semi-silky. I wanted to make sure that we had that because that's really what gives each item more of that dressy feel. The next point about my brand is that I saw that there was a gap both in the beauty and fashion world where customers were not provided tips on how you can style an outfit with different accessories to even different makeup looks. For me, I've been fortunate enough where I've had experience in both fields, and as a working makeup artist, I'm often asked what different makeup looks would go with an outfit. So for me, as I was designing, I kept in mind what different makeup looks would go with each top. And that's something that you'll see on the website. On my website, I have a little styling tips box. It's tips on how it can be worn with different accessories to even different makeup looks, which I absolutely love. I'll be doing a series of videos of showing how each item can be worn with different makeup looks. For example, the makeup that you see on me right now can be worn with the Create t-shirt, and it can be worn with the Butte sweatshirt and also with the Black Mood sweatshirt. So stay tuned for that video, which is going to come up following this one. If you're interested in knowing what each item means, then make sure that you're following the Shop Faiyza Beg Instagram page, where I show what each item means, and also I'll be posting giveaways there as well. Lastly, one charity cause that's always been very dear and close to my heart is to help orphans. With every purchase made, a portion of the proceeds will be donated to an organization such as UNICEF and fighting against child world hunger. Please help me in this effort. So now that I'm back and I'm so excited to be creating beautiful looks for you guys, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that you get the notification, and please join me on this journey for my clothing line. Love you guys. Bye.